How to hide phone number during a phone call on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you only show the contact name during a phone call, it can be incoming or outgoing, but you don't want to show the phone number, then here's how you can do this feature. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to hide the phone number during a call, all you have to do, you just need to go ahead and open up the phone application from your Samsung phone and then simply go and tap on this three dot line at the top right. Now simply go ahead and tap on settings here. Now once you're here inside the call settings, you'll get to see the option caller information. If you tap on this, you'll get to see the show contact phone numbers is enabled, and you'll get to see the preview. The phone number is actually showing up. So if you want to disable the phone number, you just go ahead and disable this feature. You'll get to see the phone number has been gone. And now whenever you make a call or get a call from someone, the phone number will be hidden. And also just go ahead and turn up this option, show extra details. Now once you do that, whenever you make a call or get an incoming call, the phone number will be hidden. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.